Need a personal assistant to help solve problems, discuss issues, or provide solutions? Look no further. Replika AI is the perfect online assistant to support you anytime, anywhere. Whether you want to share your thoughts, talk through challenges, or just have someone to chat with, Replika AI is here for you. Here's how you can get started quickly and easily. Search for Replika AI. Open your preferred web browser and type Replika AI in the search bar. Click on the official website link to begin. Create an account. Once on the website, click the option to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account or other supported options for convenience. Enter your basic details. Fill in your name and select your age during the setup process. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. This information helps customize your experience. Select your avatar. Choose an avatar that resonates with you. This is your AI assistant's visual representation, so pick one that suits your preferences. Name your assistant. Personalize your experience by naming your AI assistant. Give it a name that feels friendly and relatable to you. Start chatting after setting everything up. Your AI assistant is ready to go. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. You can chat, talk, share your thoughts, or discuss any issues you're facing. Replika AI listens and provides thoughtful responses, helping you navigate your problems and offering solutions. With Replika AI, you'll always have a supportive companion who's ready to listen, guide, and help. It's your personal assistant designed to make life easier, more organized, and less stressful. Whether it's brainstorming ideas, managing emotions, or simply having a conversation, Replika AI is your go-to digital companion. Get started today and experience the convenience and support of having an online AI assistant at your fingertips.